Hello friends, thank you for clicking on this video, and today I'm gonna share with you how you can change your Kakaotalk Messenger font size. Okay, so we need to go Kakaotalk apps. You can see here. Simply click on your apps. Then we need to go the right top corner. You can see here the icon. Click on it and scroll down something. Then you can see here the display. Okay, click display, and here you can see the first option, text size. Click on it. So it is depend on your desires. Okay, so if you want to make it bigger, then simply uh, pull it right side, then you can see the result. And if you don't need to make it smaller, then you bring the circle left side. This is the difference. So default is good, I think. So you can choose according to your demand. Okay, so this is simple tutorial, friend. Okay, and please make sure subscribe my channel and follow the page, and thank you for watching.